Hello everyone. Today's question: delete node in a linked list. Write a function to delete a node except the tail in a single linked list, given only access to that node. Given linked list head equals to 4519, which looks like following 4519. Now we will move to pen and paper and then understand this question. This is a singly linked list problem. You have to delete a node from a linked list. You don't have access to head node. To check linearly this node dot value is present or not. If node dot value is matched with this, then you can easily able to delete. But this is not possible in this case because you don't have access to head node. So you have just access. You have given a pointer node, that is node. So let's assume now node is point to this node. You have only access to this node 3, and you have to delete this node 3 from this linked list. So how you will delete it? Okay, I will explain it in solution part, but after deleting this node, you have to print this, but you don't have to return anything. You just have to delete this node. That's all. Okay, now we will move to solution part. Okay, so we check our node dot value. So our node dot value is 3, and we have to delete this node. Okay, what I will do, I just update this value with this next node value. Means next node value is node dot next dot value. Node dot next dot value is 4. So if I will assign node dot value equals to node dot next dot value, then it will be 4. Okay, are you agree with me? Yeah, because you write node dot value equals to node dot next dot value. Node dot next is pointing to 4. Node dot next is pointing to 4. So node dot next dot value is 4. So we assign node dot value equals to node dot next dot value. So 3 will be 4. So now what we have to do? So if we return this will be 1, 2, 4, 4, 5. So this is not a correct answer. So we have to ignore this node because we already have this value in this node. So we just ignore this. How we will? Now this node dot next directly point to this node. So for this we have to write another line. So that is node dot next now pointing to node dot next dot next. Okay, now solution is clear to you, and we are able to solve this problem using order of one time and order of one space. This is possible when you have given the pointer of this node which you have to delete. Otherwise you have to check from head node. If it is given, head node is not given, so we apply this algorithm. Okay, so now we will move to implementation part. In our implementation, first we assign node dot value equals to node dot next dot value, and now we will assign the pointer node dot next equals to node dot next dot next. So now we just run it, check our code is working or not. Yeah, running successfully, and now I will submit it. Yes, got accepted. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribe if you are new to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.